Let's make the simplest, delicious jollof rice you can think of. And this jollof rice was so quick and easy without wasting time, guys. Let's go and prepare this jollof rice. Into my pot, I'll go in with my oil. I'll add some bay leaf and rosemary. Also, I will add my salted beef, then go in with some onion. I'm going to stir this and allow this fry for some few minutes. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome to my kitchen where I share easy food recipes on this channel. If it is something you like, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a video. I went in with my tomatoes and pepper mix, and it also has some garlic and ginger blended together. I'll stir this and cover it. So after 10 minutes, I'm just giving it a quick stir and then cover it again and let it be on the fire for additional minutes. Moving forward, guys, so at this point I went in with my tomato paste and also added onga stew seasoning and then adding all-purpose natural spice. So I'm going to stir everything all together. While that is going on, I just want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video. Leave a comment under my post. I'm truly grateful and God bless you guys. To my new friends too, you guys are so amazing and welcome on board. So at this point our stew is almost done, so I went in with some curry powder and also seasoning cube. I also added my chicken stock. I will then stir everything. You can follow and watch me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube Shorts. The name is Getty Cooks and it's free. And thank you so much if you are still watching this video up to this time. If you are, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to reach wider audience. Okay fam, so at this point the stew is well cooked and I went ahead to scoop some and set it aside. I then went in with my washed rice. I will then stir everything together and let this toast on the fire for 5 minutes. Alright fam, so after 5 minutes I will go in with some salt and then add my water. So I will stir everything beautifully and then cover it. After 10 minutes I will flip the other side of the jollof rice and the aroma smells so amazing, guys. This recipe is a must try one. Okay fam, so at this point our rice is almost done. I will just flip again and after that I will cover it for it to cook for the final time. Okay, lovelies, our jollof rice is all done and ready, and the outcome was so lovely. This jollof rice was quick and easy to make. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and so I come your way again. See you guys in my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.